having a crack.
Oh, look at that. The girls in all his glory. And the little package and the nips. And those window cleaning machines. Made a roaring fire in here. Hopefully I can burn Tony's remains when I kill him. There's Colin. Andrew /Slank Colin. How you feeling? Like dog shit.
Yeah, accurate.
This is so wanky. I try and make it really country-y. There's even, wait for it, the obligatory, look, left us Welsh cakes. And Tony was like, what the fuck are these? Fair point, Tone. Dry what? Eccles, yeah, I suppose. This is the view of hell. Jack's fresh hell. Look at it.
Don't be afraid to be the proud to be strong. Just look into your heart, my friend. That will be the return to yourself, the return to innocence.
There was definitely something came off one of them though and went that way. It looks like it's fine, apart from
antenna.
Yeah,
just, all my antennas are gone. You're supposed to sit there and then just view the countryside. Wood. No axe to split wood though, which is a bit of a nightmare. Some of these chunks are too wide for the old wood burner and end up just flattening it out. Even got a small little lake pond out there. So that's the main little thing we're in. That's the kitchen window. That's the main door. Little Christmas tree out there. This is Tony's love shack, so he's on his own, so he can have a wank. And then me and Frank are in here. Tony's afraid of horses and trains.
I like horses.
Oh, you like horses? What else are you afraid of? What are you doing?
You, when you pull my pants down, you go to go.
Oh, come on, Tone.
How was it in here?
It was alright. Get out.
It was alright, get out. Mind that slug.